To change the default search engine in Safari, start by opening the Safari browser on your device. Once Safari is open, click on the Safari menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Preferences. This will open a new window with various settings and options. In the Preferences window, click on the Search tab. This tab contains settings related to the search engine, including the default search engine. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Default Search Engine and click on it to reveal a list of available search engines. Safari comes with several pre-installed search engines, including Google, Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. Select the search engine you want to use as your default from this list if you do not see your preferred search engine in the list. You can also select Other to enter a custom search engine URL. After selecting your preferred search engine, close the Preferences window to save your changes. Your new default search engine will now be used for all searches performed in the Safari address bar. It is also important to note that changing the default search engine in Safari does not affect any other browsers or search engines you may be using on your device. This change only applies to Safari, so you can have different default search engines for different browsers if needed. By following these steps, you can easily change the default search engine in Safari to your preferred search engine, allowing you to customize your browsing experience and use the search engine that best meets your needs.